Welcome to KelownaPlumbers.com. Today's question is, does adjusting the thermostat on a regular basis really make any difference? Well, it does, obviously. Thermostats are fantastic. They were built to come on when we need them and turn off when we don't need them. By making adjustments, what they recommend is 6 degrees in the summertime, move it up, and in the wintertime, move it down 6 degrees from what would be normal for you guys, and that will reduce the wear on the system perfectly. So if you can take one step further and not just use a normal thermostat, but get one of the digital thermostats, you can adjust it however you like. So days that you know you're not going to be around, make sure that those are lower. If it's the summertime, then make sure it's adjusted for summer. You can have seasonal controls, you can have daily controls and weekly controls on these programmable thermostats, and in many cases you can run them right from your phone. So you couldn't ask for more. Even if you leave for holidays and you forget to turn everything down, just hop onto that Bluetooth connection and away you go. Okay, folks, it's a wonderful time for technology and plumbing and HVAC. Give us a call if you want to learn more about how we can soup up your house. Okay, have a great day, everyone. Thanks for coming.